Hey guys! Today's video is going to be a really fun video. I'm going to show you guys how to use hair wax paint. I found this company on Instagram. It's called Hair Paint Wax and it's really cool. I have been going through this thing where I've been like dying to just color my hair a different color. Like pink, purple, turquoise. I really want to try turquoise, green, blue. I just want to experiment with my hair. I've been doing blonde for quite some time now. I just washed my hair and I'm letting it air dry a little bit. So it's damp right now, which is exactly what we need in order to get this color onto our hair. The color that I'm going to be using today, it's going to be this green right here. I'm so excited. I tried the color purple. I'll show you guys a picture of when I tried the color purple. I did film that one, but my camera was not cooperating that day. Let's try this again. I'm going to show you guys how I go from blonde highlights to a nice green color. I don't think it's going to be this green, however, but we will see. The purple one that I didn't go as purple as I thought it was. I did buy a silvery color and I think I have to apply the silver or the white in order for the purple to really look like purple, you know. So let's see. So I just found somebody that had colored hair and it just turned out to be wax, and I just started going through all the pages and I found this company and I was obsessed. Okay, so this is meant for curly hair. You cannot use this on straight hair because it's like putting on gel. Just think of it that way. It's like putting on gel. So if you have straight hair, you can't really put gel on it. It's gonna look weird, and then it might just, I don't know, I don't think it works really well with straight hair. I think it works a lot better with curly hair that you can kind of scrunch, because you do have to apply it in this scrunch motion. The instructions on how to apply, it says use a small to moderate amount of hair color wax to apply to damp hair. So my hair is drying a little bit already since I've been talking, but I have a spray bottle. I'm just going to spray it a little bit more and then we can start. It is explained as a temporary water-based hair coloring solution for those who want to try a new color every day of the week, meaning that you can wash it off. I just had my hair purple, the purple that I just showed you guys, and I washed my hair and now I'm going to put it green. So it does not stain your hair. It doesn't stain anything really. I dropped some on my white desk and it didn't stain it. I just wiped it right off. It didn't stain my hands. However, today I'm going to be using gloves just so that I don't have to keep washing my hands, and I just take that off. But you don't really have to use the gloves. It does not stain your hands. It does not stain your bathtub. My bathtub is white. I just washed it all off and all of it came out. Most of it without me even like washing my hair yet. Just wetting it, it just came right off. So I was very pleased with that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right in with this green color right here. Wish me luck. Let's see how this goes, guys. First, you can see I'm wearing a dark shirt and I have it inside out just in case. I don't want to dirty it too much. And then obviously you do need your hair to be damp. So I am gonna go in with my spray bottle. I am a natural curly hair and I'm trying not to use too many products on my hair, so this is what I usually do. Even if I'm just wetting my hair, I have a little bit of conditioner in my spray bottle with my water. So I'm just gonna start spraying away so I can get my hair a little bit more damp. You do want it to be damp, not too wet, but you don't want it to be dry either, because it won't take and it'll just clump up and look gross. So you want to make sure that you have your hair combed all the way through so that you get an even coat on everything. Now it's damp this side a little bit more, so we're going to start with this side. Okay, now that I have my gloves on, we are going right into this baby. Just going to grab that. And we're going to start with the ends. Oh, what I should have done, you know what, let me start doing it now. I'm gonna take it section by section because when I didn't do it that way, when I did the purple, I did miss some spots. You know what, I don't like the glove situation. Taking the gloves off, we're done with the gloves. Definitely should go section by. That's how it's starting. Covering about this much. You see this part right here? I want it green. So, I'm gonna go in with more green in here. I'm missing a lot of pieces here, although we went over that already. So this is what I'm saying, like, you can miss a lot. So, make sure you just keep going over it. Okay, I think we're good. I might go over it a little bit more. Once I'm done with this other half, I'll go back in here and probably put some more green. Okay, so now let's go on the other side. It was definitely easier to section. I'll start to. Okay. Full head is done. This is how it looks wet. I'm going to just go through the ends a little bit more because this doesn't look like it took much here. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply more green to the sections that I want more green because I feel like the ends are what's gonna pick up more since my hair is darker up top. Okay, so all done with applying. So now, since our hair is wet, it does look a lot darker than it's gonna look when it's dry. When I applied the purple, I was like, oh, this is not even like, but when it dried, it was like a lot lighter. So I'll be right back to show you guys how it looks with my hair a little bit more dry. I'm back and this is how my hair looks when it's dry. I wanted to show you guys real quick. My hair is completely dry now, but once your hair is dried, it's gonna look like this and it's gonna feel very stiff and it's gonna look a little bit darker. You notice this side, it looks more voluminous and it looks lighter. The color looks more bright on, especially in the ends. It looks greener. So I'm going to show you what I do in order to get this look as opposed to this. So it's really hard. I don't like the feeling of this. So what I do is that I take the same shirt and I just scrunch. There you have it. Here is the finished look. This green is not just green, it's like green and like a gold shimmer. And so when I went like that, I had some on my hand. So it feels good. It doesn't feel like I have so much stuff in my hair. Remember, I have no product in my hair, just that. So it's like if you're putting a gel in your hair or a mousse and then you just go like that to make it softer. But yeah, so the process of applying, it took about 15 minutes and then I didn't do anything other than let it air dry. I did pass a quick blow dryer over it, but it was not really drying, so I just let it go and I let it air dry. It's been about an hour since I did it and this is the final look, you guys. So I am really digging this green. It looks a little funky, I like it. I wish it was greener. Again, the company that I got these from is called Hair Paint Wax. I do have a discount code for 10% on this product. They are about $6. There's some that are a little bit more. They're all under $10. So it's a really good price. I would say because I have so much hair, this would probably last me max 3 times of use. So still a pretty good, decent deal. I have a lot of hair and I have a lot of curly hair, so that means that I need to use more. If your hair is not as thick as mine and as much as mine, it may last you longer. I'm gonna go ahead and put the company right over here. It's their Instagram. You can go check them out. I love that I can put something on my hair, that I can make it whatever color I decide that I want that day and just run with it, you know, and then I can wash it right off. Like I said, it was not hard for me to wash that purple color off. It was super simple. I literally just ran my hair through the water and on its own it was coming off. I mean, I was pretty amazed. And then my hair did not suffer at all from it. My blonde streaks stayed exactly the way they were supposed to be, and it was great. I love everything about this. Yeah, I love it. The only thing that I wish is that I can use it with my hair straight. I don't see how I can straighten my hair with this, and there's just too much product in my hair for me to flatten it. It's probably gonna fry it. So we don't want to do that. So this is definitely meant for a more curly look. Just wanted to come back and show you guys how my hair looks after day 2. My hair does look a little bit lighter, but it did happen also with my purple hair. I did notice that it started to get lighter until it became like a pastel color. I wash my hair about once a week. I try not to overwash my hair because my hair is very curly and very dry as it is. I try to just use conditioners and deep conditioners and oils and things like that on the more natural side so that my curls stay. And this actually is giving my hair the definition that I would normally have. And my hair looks exactly like this on a regular day. So I'm pretty surprised at this. I do like the outcome and I do like the color that it gives it. I wish it was a little bit more greener, but again, I think I can apply the white as a base and then apply the green, and it may take more. Because I've seen a lot of people that have like super bright colors with darker hair than mine. So, you know, I think that may play into it. Other than that, I love this. You know, I love the idea that I can change my hair every day if I want to. I may try to experiment with these other colors that I have left here that I have not tried yet, as well as the blue. Maybe I'll do it for Instagram. I do think that this is something that you can put on for a day and wash it off. The shirt that I slept with, I noticed that it had a little bit of green on it. So it is like any product, you guys. When you wear gel, it's gonna go all over your shoulders. It's gonna go all over your shirt. You know, we just don't see it. This is colored, so we see it. No big deal, the color comes off. It doesn't stain or anything like that, but just keep in mind. Other than that, I really love this product. It is like having my normal products in my hair. It did hold my hair very well. If you do want to check these out, I will leave the links down below for you, as well as my discount code, which is my channel name. So I hope you guys like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also to share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.